Hi guys, most of them get answer 1 for this problem. It is wrong. Let's see. Here 3 divided by 3 is 1. Here 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now 1 divided by 1 is 1. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS, multiplication divisions are equal priority and addition subtractions are equal priority. We have to do this left to right rule. Here all our divisions, we have to do this left to right rule. So 3 divided by 3 first we have to do. So here 1. Next this. So divide by 3 divide by 3. Now this we have to follow here. So this can be written as 1 by 3 divide by this 3. Now KCF rule, 1 by 3 times, change the order, so 1 by 3. Now 1 times 1 is 1. Here in denominator 3 times 3 is 9. This is the correct answer. So 1 by 9.